it's Inday Val again and welcome back to our channel.
Your channel.
Our channel. Yes, Family Ritsma. Huwag ka nang umano dyan. Sabi is sleeping at the back, guys. So, ayan, supposed to be pupunta kami ng dagat. Kaya lang, dahil sa pabago-bagong panahon, nag-iba kami ng route. Pero, before po kami mag-start mag-vlog, isa-shoutout po namin si Kuya Danny Quizon. Danny Quizon! Baka magising si Sabi. And si Sisi Jentan. Ayan, may pa-shoutout si Dodong. So, ayan, papunta kami. Where are we going?
Willemstad.
Yes, Willemstad, guys. Supposed to be, diba, sa dagat, kaya lang naiba. And what are we going to do? What's the plan?
Old town. They were important in the history against the Spaniards. Because it's like, how do you say it? Protection point or a strategic point for the military.
Wow, my research! Okay, to defend themselves.
Yeah, they can let the water put the ground underwater. So the Spaniards had really trouble to get into the Netherlands.
And then I remember you said we're gonna take a boat?
Yeah, take a boat to 10 gemeenten.
Okay.
And that's a small island where you can walk and there is a playground for Sabi.
Ayan, nag-google talaga siya kung saan kami pwedeng pumunta kasi nga hindi natuloy yung beach. Ayan.
No beach today.
Yes, no beach today.
Because Netherlands, always cloudy.
Cloudy kahapon ang init, guys. Kaya lang hindi ako, umaga lang ako nakapag-vlog. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kung saan kami pumunta. Dagat din siya, pero hindi niya gusto. So, ayan. Pero, feeling ko may enjoy namin yung pupuntahan namin today. And, kita-kits mamaya, guys. Ipapakita ko kung, kasi first time ko din makikita kung ano yung nandun. So, i-share ko sa inyo. See you later!
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy.
So, ayan, guys. Alas 2 yung travel namin by boat papunta sa 10 gemeentes. So, maglalakad-lakad muna kami ng konti dito. Ayan, playground ng mga bata doon sa baba. Pero nasa medyo mataas kami na part. Ayan si Dudong. Sabi! I think he wants that love. Sabi! Naiinggit sa bata. Gusto din niyang magbitay-bitay, guys, siguro. So, ayan, guys, before kami umalis ng camping, naglinis muna kami ng caravan, naghugas ako ng plato, at ayun, para pagbalik namin mamaya, malinis. So, ayan, si Wibe, hindi ito nagpipermi sa bahay or dun sa caravan. Talagang naghahanap siya ng, alam mo yun, susuruyan, mapagpapasyalan. Lawin ko. Mama. What? You want to go, Papa?
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
Guys, ayan. If makikita nyo, dun sa unahan, open yung bridge. Papakita ko. Pababa na. Ay, di ba? Ang umano, nag-open yung bridge. And hindi biro yan guys ha, kasi 6 lane siya. Ayun, kinount ko. So dito may 3, dito din may 3 na lane. So ang galing. Ipapakita ko yung water na dinadaanan. Pag may barko kasing mataas, ino-open nila yung bridge. So I hope mapakita ko. Kasi may harang.
I like the view. I like the view. I like the view.
The face.
You. Me. Oh.
Gosh!
A few moments later.
Nandito na kami. So yan yung boat na... Is that the boat really?
Yeah.
Nasasakyan na. Because sometimes guys, ano bang joker to?
Yeah, the Filipina boat.
Tingnan nyo. Yung maliit Filipina ko na boat. Tas,
Oh, no, here.
loko-loko talaga. So yan, yung sasakyan namin na boat. And nag-travel kami galing sa Willemstad, siguro mga 25 to 30 minutes. Tapos yung boat naman papunta dun sa Tingemente, mga 10 minutes lang daw. So, ayan, mag-aantay na lang kami. Kailan lalarga talaga. Sige, see you later. Ayan guys, dun kami sasakay. And bumibili si Wibe ng mask.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby,
Hello.
there is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
That is in part, XAVY. Oh. Pakabuhig iyahang sa. Hi. Oo, ne? So guys, ito na yun. G7x. And ayan, tumingin na kami sa loob. May pinaka-museum sila at may mga tinda. Tapos ngayon maglalakad-lakad kami sa baba. Ay, sa baba. Dito. Oh my gosh, go daw. Oh. Galing-galing mo, ha?
Come on, my angel.
Oh, wait.
Wow. Kijk eens, Xavi. Oh. Mooi, hè?
Sabi ko. Kahit di naintindihan. So guys, kakain muna kami sandali. Tapos may playground doon sa unahan para kay Xavi and rest time ni Mama or editing ng mga lahat ng na-video ko today. It's Maklet.
A few moments later.
Tapos na kaming kumain at ayan, nakapaglaro na din si Xavi doon. Kaya lang hindi ako nag-video kasi madaming bata. Baka bawal. Or alam kong bawal. So baka may mga Ken Oak. Ayan, nakikipag-rest si Vibe dito. So tingnan niyo yung view, guys. So ito yung gusto niyang tanawin talaga. Ako din naman, gusto ko din naman. And tingnan niyo yung mga ibon doon. Ayun, ayun. Hello. My gosh. Ay, upo na muna ako.
Hey, bootje. Bootje, klein bootje.
A few moments later.
So, ayun guys, that's our family bonding. Tomorrow, na naman ako, work na naman si Inday, kayod na naman. So, siya, ayan, ganun pa rin, school vacation pa rin guys. So, I think mag-start yung klase dito sa Netherlands, mga, kung di ako nagkakamali, last week of August or first week of September. So, ganun. And, ayan, na-enjoy namin talaga guys, yung araw na to. Ayun, Sunday, last night namin actually sa camping kasi bukas ng umaga, uwi na namin sa bahay, tapos magbubuk na naman yan para next weekend na naman. So, susunduin na naman niya ako sa trabaho ko Friday. So, ganun ang, ayan, ang gusto palagi ni Dodong. And, ayan, so if makikita nyo, ayan, may mga nagbabike sa baba. So, medyo nasa elevated, kami, area. Ayun, don't forget nga pala to subscribe to our channel, Family Ritsma, and hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga bagong upload namin. Bye-bye!